Yeah, so today uh, I will just give you an alert on a low pressure area which is supposed to originate in the Bay of Bengal by 17th or 18th. That is by the mid of next week, and that can lead to moderate to intense cyclonic rainfall distributions in the districts, states, and regions surrounding the Bay of Bengal. So here I am showing you the forecast information, the current as well as the forecast for the upcoming days of rainfall as well as pressure, and also I would show you the cloud pattern, and I will show you how the rainfall distribution will be. So currently we are looking into the pressure. This is basically windy.com, where you can look into forecasts of different weather models. So I am showing you the ECMWF forecast because that is actually from the previous experience, which I feel is more reliable compared to GFS and ICON in terms of forecasting for the Indian monsoon. So before going to that, I would like to show you the warnings by IMD for the state of Odisha. So IMD has not yet put forward the warnings for July 17th. So the warnings which we currently have are till 17th, and we don't have warnings of 18th. So this is the current warning we have, and that is only till 17th. So now we'll look into what happens after 17th and how this low pressure area will originate, and then how the rainfall patterns or how it could lead to a heavy rainfall in the states which are in the eastern part of India. So this is basically the pressure distribution now. So I'll go to 17th, and I'll show you how the pressure is changing. So basically what happens is the Somali jet originates from Kenya, Somalia region, where there is currently a high pressure. So from here the Somali jet originates, and it travels from the southwestern direction towards the Indian subcontinent. So what happens is, higher the pressure in Somalia, that means the winds move in a higher pace. So currently, one thing you can observe here is, you might have seen in the news also, there is actually a low pressure area near to Philippines, Manila. So that is what is happening now. That by 17, that can shift to the Chinese coastal regions. So currently the low pressure region is near to Manila in Indonesia, and it's causing heavy rains in these regions. So now let's come back to India. So here what will happen by 17th of Monday is that a very low pressure area will originate in the Bay of Bengal, and as we go to 18th, you can see that the low pressure area is intensifying. So what happens is, this can pull more and more winds from Somalia, and that can also bring in moisture to the Indian subcontinent. And because of this low pressure region, there are huge chances of cyclonic disturbance in and around Odisha as well as coastal Andhra Pradesh. So that means that Visakhapatnam as well as Bhubaneswar will be raining heavily, and also the coastal regions of these states will be raining heavily. So now I'll show you the rainfall pattern. So what you can observe is that the low pressure area leads to cyclonic activity in these regions, And also there is huge cloud cover. There is a possibility of huge cloud cover in these regions, and that can lead to convectional rainfall. So that means that these regions will be raining heavily starting from 17th of Monday. I mean, late evenings of 17th of Monday till 2-3 days. That is that this can prolong up to 18, 19. Then we should see how the cyclone further progresses to note or to understand how the rainfall progresses. So if I look into 18th, still there is cyclonic activity. There is a low pressure area there, and then this gradually can result to heavy rainfall in these regions. So if you look into the ECMWF forecast information, you can understand that there are chances of huge cyclonic activity in these regions, and probably when IMD puts up their alerts, further alerts, I believe that there will be a red alert for Odisha as well as for coastal Andhra Pradesh starting from 17th to possibly 20th, and then later on we should look into how the cyclone progresses because it's affected by all these westerly, easterly wind movements and the pressure differences in different regions. So this is the present alert for heavy monsoonal activity starting from 17th in the Bay of Bengal. And this can also affect the rainfall patterns and rainfall distribution in the Arabian coast also, because the wind that is moving faster from Somali, that is the Somali jets, can bring in more moisture to the Indian subcontinent, Indian mainland, and that can result to more rainfall in the Arabian coastal as well as central Indian regions also. But primarily the rainfall concentration is towards, like, there will be heavy rainfall cyclonic activity in the Arabian Sea. So that's all in this video. So I'll come up with a new video and I'll be further updating the rainfall activity in the coming days of monsoon. Thank you.